Isimningi iminyaka izakhamuzi zase-Hammanskraal ikhala ngokungcola kwamanzi ewaphuzayo zithi lolu daba kufanele ngabe lusukunyelwa njengenkinga yogesi manje.
We have issues of load shedding. There is a declaration of state of disaster. People are not dying. Where people are dying, they tell us about procurement processes, supply chain management. Those must be declared a state of disaster. Things must be put in place. That 5 years is a lot.
Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uSenzomgcuni uthi kufanele ngabe kade labe kweyithebeni lolu daba lwenkinga yamanzi ukusho lokhu ngenkathi ebuza ukuthi kufanele kuze kushona abantu yini ukuze uhulumeni asukume.
You can't say because it has happened we no longer have to do anything. You have to address this problem even after. Regrettably that it is after. But at the same time, I want to insist that, as I said before, this problem could have been addressed long ago.
Umkhunu uqhubeke wathi bekungekho ukubambisana phakathi kwabo nobe imeya seTshwane phambilini.
The reality of the matter is that there was a problem with the former mayor of Tshwane who didn't want to talk to us about this matter. Now, there is a difference now. The current mayor is willing to engage with us.
Uphethenge lokuthi bazophuma naso kuleli isonto isisombululo kulenkinga yamanzi eHammanskraal. Silindo kuhle ngidi indabeni ze-SABC.